So I'm at King's Auto and Tire. This man over here has been shown this machine one time. One time I've shown him how to use it. He's now going to demonstrate the machine to me. Simplicity is the key. You see, you must move that fan.
Yes.
You got to tighten the primary and then loosen the secondary. So the primary is the top knob. Okay, it's going to tighten the primary. That's tightening the primary, and then we're loosening the secondary. So all the sensors are mounted and switched. All right, so what we've done now is we are now going to enter the VIN number to locate the vehicle. So we start by pushing the green button. And we enter the VIN number. Right, allow me to introduce my technician. What's your name, sir?
I forgot, my name's Miguel.
I know Miguel, but listen, Miguel, and how long have you been doing alignment?
Basically, it's gonna be my first time to doing this kind of job.
Oh, really?
With this system, yes sir.
And he's feeling very confident and comfortable.
Oh yeah, it's really simple, really easy. Yeah,
Wonderful. Okay, Miguel, on to the next. Where are we now? So now we have the specifications. So now we're going to push the green button. Okay, and we are going to mount the sensors, which is done. Okay, so we're going to push the green button again. Okay, now we're going to do the rollback for compensation.
So now it's 30 degrees.
30 degrees back? 30
Yes. It's going to be back, right?
Back, yeah, backwards first.
This one can do here.
Okay, and you're going to push the button, the black button, the grey button. Okay, now it wants you to move the vehicle forward. And you're going to push the grey button. Compensation is now complete.
So now,
right? So now it's going to ask you to mount the brake lock, the freno. So the brake lock is now mounted.
right? So that one's done.
Okay, now we go. Now we are going to push the green button once again, so we can go to our caster sweep. Right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to level all the sensors. Tighten that guy. And we're going to repeat that process all the way around the vehicle. But now we're going to remove the pins. But everything is now leveled, but the pointer is not in the center. So what we got to do is we got to first get the pointer into the center. Once it's in the center, the machine will instruct us to stop. Then we're going to go into a caster sweep, which is 10 degrees on each side. You do not have to turn the car. Put your leg up there. There you go.
I don't know.
So Senor Miguel is now doing the caster sweep. 10 degree sweep and a 10 degree right. Now thus far this whole process is under 5 minutes. And there our readings are, Miguel. Miguel, now if you push that yellow button, Miguel, it will give us the frame condition. See the yellow one? Okay, now from this we can determine if we have a frame offset. So we've got plus 0.5 and plus 0.8. In other words, this frame is square. So some vehicles have got diamond frame where they move forward and backward.
Okay.
This frame is all right. So you're going to push the red button and go back. Just double check it over there. Okay. Now we're going to go to the green one, and we're going to go to our next logical step. The steering wheel has been centered and it is locked.
So green one.
Okay. The logical process of adjustment is back wheels and then front wheels. So this shows us that the back wheels require adjustment. If we push the little camera, it'll show us where the adjustment is at the back. It's showing us an adjustment on the back wheel over there. So now
So we have to take the pin out.
the first thing we're going to do is we are now raising the vehicle to an adjustable, workable height. Exactly, Miguel, exactly. 19 and 14, I think, okay? So there's looking at the screen over there.
17, this one is 17, 19. So that will be 2.
Two is good. 0.1, 0.2. It's. I got the machine set very accurately, Miguel.
Okay.
It's good enough. Thrust angle 0, 0. We tighten it up.
I never do a real one. First time.
I'll teach you something.
Oh yeah.
You never thought I was going to teach you nothing.
No.
Okay, senor. Okay, hit the ground. That one side is not broken, senor. It's not broken, no
this,
fix it.
So this one's good.
It's no broken, no fix. Okay?
Alright.
So hit green button. And that automatically puts us to front wheel adjustment where we've
So
got
this is the
caster,
front.
camber and toe. That's the front wheels. You've got caster on top, camber in the center, and toe at the bottom.
Okay.
So now we are going to move to the front wheels.
Going down to the right.
Right, so now the front wheels have to be adjusted. Now he is loosening the tie rod ends to carry out a front adjustment. Always use a double wrench to tighten, then you have no movement, Miguel. We now approach the left-hand side. The right-hand side has been done. We're now doing the left-hand side. We are still under 10 minutes at this point for this alignment. This one, that's a happy printout, happy printout. Good, happy printout here. Good. Now, senor, push the green button exactly. Okay. On the left-hand side is the before. As you can see, we affected the rear toe and we affected the front toe. Everything is now in the green. This is a good sign. So now we are going to hit the blue button. Okay. And we're going to select the printer. I've changed the format to a before and after, so we've now got a different type of printout. Okay.
All right.
That is right. So now you're going to hit the printer button again. Okay, then you're going to hit the brother. Okay, just hit print.
And voila.
And voila, should be done. Let's go. We've now completed the printout. So now we've done our share. Now we have another option here. If we hit the blue button, we put it into share mode. Blue button. At this point, we can now, if we like, we can email it via Gmail or via one of the other mediums. We can actually mail this to someone. Now we're going to push the red button and go backward. And then we're going to push the home button. Are we sure? Yes, we're sure. And that is the alignment complete. Now bear in mind, prior to this alignment, it's important that you do a pre-alignment check and ensure that everything on the vehicle is alignable. Now to change our video graphic, what we're going to do is we're going to tap the printer button and then
Tap this one and we can change it.
And then we push OK. Everybody happy.